Hello, in this video I want to show you how to launch Advanced Startup with LENOVO AIO. And to do this you will need to click on the Start, open Settings, find Updates and Security, select Troubleshoot, go for the Recovery. Right here you will see Advanced Startup and you can click on Restart Now. Your PC will restart. And now we're in Advanced Startup. If you just want to continue to your Windows 10, click on Continue. You can turn off your PC here as well. Use a USB drive or network connection or Windows recovery using DVD, or make the troubleshoot with advanced options. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.